Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Job World by Komal. Today I'll be explaining some commonly asked interview question and answers. So before starting the video, I would request you to click on bell icon and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So very first question any interview will ask is, tell me about yourself. Freshers है, डर लग रहा है? डरना नहीं है. I will guide you about how to crack the interview. फ्रेशर्स के लिए यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ योर फुल नेम, योर एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन, योर प्रोजेक्ट एंड रिसर्च वर्क जो भी इंस्टीट्यूट से ग्रेजुएशन किया है, मास्टर्स किया है, जस्ट वो आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है विद कॉन्फिडेंस. एक्सपीरियंस प्रोफेशनल, हाउ टू गिव योर इंट्रोडक्शन. जस्ट स्टार्ट विथ योर फुल नेम, योर एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन जस्ट आपने बैचलर्स या मास्टर्स जो भी किया है जस्ट उतना ही आपको बताना है. So name, education qualification, then come with your experience. Like elaborate your experience, what products you are dealing with, what services you are working with, or any operations or services you are doing with, just elaborate everything. Whatever work you are doing with your current company or any previous company. One more important question I want to guide you guys is if your role is completely different from what the company is looking for, then what will you do? I'll guide you about this. So, to crack this query, you need to read the job description very carefully. If you don't have JD, then get it from any recruitment consultant or any HR or a company's website. You can go to careers page and you can get it. So, read the job description carefully and add some points to immediately after your introduction why you are perfect for this role. Then only you will be selected. So, after introduction, one most important point is add some points from job description, whatever experience or whatever relatable experience you have from the JD. If you are not having any experience, add some points about the relatable any activities you are doing like the current job description. So, adding some points from job description will lead you to avoid the question from interviewer, why should we hire you? This is the most important and most frequently asked question, why should we hire you? आप ही ने बता दिया है कि कंपनी को क्यों हायर करना है, तो ये कंपनी ही इतनी स्टार्टिंग से ही इतनी कंफर्म हो जाएगी कि यू आर परफेक्ट फॉर दिस रोल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस? लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ वीकनेस. Weakness. Never share any actual weakness. You can share any weakness that can be considered as strength also. How is it possible? Let's the professionals who are having experience like 2 to 5 years can add like this. My weakness is I want to do all the tasks at a time and sometimes I get messed up because I want my work very exact, accurate and perfect. So sometimes I get messed up, but I have overcome this mistake by prioritizing task by the time deadline and important. Say that you are not having any weakness. Each and every person उनकी रहती ही है weakness. So we should not speak like we don't have any weakness. It sounds like you are very arrogant. But if you are adding how you are overcoming your weakness, it will give your impact like you are a learning person, you are adapting person. So just speak out whatever weakness you are having, just add some points how you can overcome it. Speaking about your strength, you can add the strength like you can gel with the team, you can manage the team, or you can do any task like very fast, you can adapt the new things very fast. So these are the strength you can share. Next question, why do you want to switch from current job? The answer should be like this. Now guys, never ever share anything bad about current company you are working with or any previous company you have worked with. Because अगर आप जिस कंपनी के साथ काम कर रहे हो उनका कुछ भी बुरा बोलते हो तो इंटरव्यूअर ये सोच सकता है कि ये अगर करंट कंपनी के साथ नहीं एडजस्ट हो पा रहा है तो चांसेस आर लेस कि वो न्यू एनवायरनमेंट में सेट होगा. सो इंस्टेड से आई वॉन्ट टू स्विच माई जॉब फॉर प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ. इतना शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट आंसर होना चाहिए. Never convey your answer like this. I want to switch the job to get a good salary, good hike on current CTC. See, This is the obvious thing that each and every candidate is looking for hike on your CTC salary, but it gives your impact like your money mandatorily. If you want to grow like for your money also, like your profession also, then this will give you a picture, very good picture, that if you are looking for professional growth, it includes money also. So keep it in mind. Just express you are looking for job for professional growth. You can say the job description for this role exactly same like what I am looking for my growth. Next question can be, what is your expectation for salary? So this is very important part from company side also and from candidate side also, because each and every candidate is looking for good hike on current CTC, but हमें डर लगता है कि कैसे हम बात करें एक्सपेक्टेशन का, वो कंपनी से मैच होगा नहीं होगा. Best way to answer this question is, just ask your interviewer, may I know what is the budget of the company for this role? हमें पूछना है कंपनी से कि कंपनी कितना बजट रखती है ये प्रोफाइल के लिए, और ये रोल के लिए अगर कंपनी का बजट क्या है वो हमें पता चल जाए, so we can change and we can negotiate our expectation. So if the interviewer is like, we will provide as per the industry standard, then you just share your expectation like I expect at least 25 to 40% on my current CTC and I'm negotiable. Now, one more last question. Every interviewer asks this question to candidate, like, do you have any questions? Do you have any query with the profile? And most of the candidates ये mistake करते हैं, no ma'am, no sir, we don't have any query or any questions. So ये कैसा impact देता है कि आपको कोई ज़्यादा enthusiasm नहीं है कंपनी के बारे में या रोल के बारे में. Instead, you can ask that, can I get more details about the role, कि exactly what the company is looking for, और कंपनी के नेक्स्ट प्लान्स क्या है, फ्यूचर नियरेस्ट फ्यूचर प्लान क्या है प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज के बारे में, और सम लाइक क्वेश्चंस यू कैन आस्क अबाउट द कंपनी और द रोल एंड एनी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स, उसका कैसे एक्सपांशन का कंपनी का प्लान है. कोई भी 1 or 2 क्वेश्चंस कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज एक बार रीड कर लीजिए वेबसाइट से, और थोड़ी 1 or 2 पॉइंट्स आप प्रिपेयर करके जाइए जो आपको पूछना ही पूछना है. One point I want to discuss with you guys, some candidates get nervous because we are not good in English, we are not fluent in English. I want to share with you, कोई भी इंटरव्यूअर ये चेक नहीं करता है कि आप कितने फ्लुएंट हो थ्रू आउट. If you are giving good introduction in English, then if you are coming in regional language, if you are confident, if you have good product knowledge, if you have good experience, आप में confidence होना चाहिए whatever language you are speaking. आप इंग्लिश का थोड़ा नॉलेज होना चाहिए, इंट्रोडक्शन कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलना चाहिए. बाकी आप जो भी लैंग्वेज बोल रहे हो, हिंदी बोल रहे हो, कन्नड़ा बोल रहे हो, तमिल बोल रहे हो, गुजराती बोल रहे हो, कोई भी मराठी बोल रहे हो, कोई भी लैंग्वेज बोल रहे हो, उसमें आपका कमांडिंग होना चाहिए. टू हैव द कमांड ऑन योर रीजनल लैंग्वेज. अगर आप अच्छे से कन्वे करके कंपनी का काम कर रहे हो तो कंपनी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है हायर करने में. बट यू शुड हैव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कि आप इंग्लिश थोड़ा बहुत बोल पाओ. सो डोंट गेट नर्वस, एक कॉन्फिडेंस से आप इंटरव्यू दीजिए. कैसा लगा आपको वीडियो, कमेंट करना मत भूलिए, और डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन बेल आइकन एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल.